Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI for math in Goodnotes in 2026. Are you struggling with math problems in your notes? Goodnotes now has an AI feature that can help you solve and understand math instantly. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI for math in Goodnotes in 2026. Now let's start, but before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna type in the search. You're gonna type in Goodnotes. Once you type in Goodnotes, this application will appear. Make sure to install it by hitting on install. And once the installation is completed, you're gonna open the app, and there you're gonna find the application, or you're gonna make sure you connect your accounts, and then you're gonna open a new notes. We're gonna click on new. Let's click on here, this new. Now let's change the language before we do that. As you can see here, we're gonna click on here. Then you're gonna check switch the language. For example, I'm gonna switch to uh, English UK. Then I'm gonna click on a new note, select block notes, and then select simple like this, or a blank one. Click on create. Now once you create the note, you're gonna write your problem. For example, I'm just gonna write with here. I'm gonna write this problem right here with the pen. For example, 6x plus 3 equals 9. Now as you can see, I wrote it, I didn't write it well, but now you're gonna select the equation using the lasso or selection tool. We're gonna go here, click on the lasso, and we're gonna select the equation. Let's look here. As you can see, there's an error. I'm gonna switch here. Let's select the equation. For example, I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna end this right here. As you can see, there are a lot of AI. For example, I'm gonna click on the star and the smile icon like this. And I'm gonna click on this. As you can see, there's a discussion or comment here, and I'm gonna tell him solve this. And I'm gonna click on send. Let's see how the AI react to this equation. Now he's generating a response. We're just gonna have to wait for it, and the AI will analyze your equation and give you the solution step by step. Now here you're gonna see that he solved the equation. Now he might not recognize some of the characters, so you have to write clear and precise equation. Now using AI for math in Goodnotes can save time and improve your learning. Try it out and make studying much easier. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.